Elijah with ALF Lawn and Pest Solutions. We have over 20 years experience in the turf care and pest control industry. But you don't have to take my word for it. You can go to alfga.com or you can click the link below and it will take you to our testimonial page and you can hear it straight from our customers. But anyway, let's get to the sales pitch. I know you've heard it all before. You got a salesman coming into your yard and they say that, oh, you got weeds, but we can get rid of all of them. Your grass isn't really green, but I can make it the greenest one in the neighborhood. And better yet, you're going to have the same technician for as long as you own your home. Now, that's what we're all trained to say. And we do it to an extent. But really, the truth is, it's going to take some time. Probably a few months before you're even going to see any results at a minimum. But I can promise you, if you use our secret formula, we're going to get your lawn to where you want it. Now, spare me the eye rolls a little bit, but it's really not a secret formula. All it is your time and your patience and a little bit of your money. But patience for sure. So we're going to give you our 8-treatment program that we've put patience and time, a lot of money into as well. And we're going to give you pre-emergence in every round that are going to keep your lawn free of weeds. We're going to give you nitrogens throughout the growing season that are going to give you that green, lush look that you're looking for. And we also put organics that we mix up from time to time. And it's going to just make your soil the best friend your lawn can have. That sounds awesome, right? Well, all you got to do is click the link below. We'll have one of our salesmen call you from inside and run you through the process and run you through some pricing. Or if you think you need a little bit more help, we'll send a technician out. We'll assess your lawn, recommend your best course of action, and then we'll get you on your way to a journey of the perfect lawn.